Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. It is an ABC 15 weather action day as we are bracing for another day with temperatures at or topping 110. We are under heat alerts today across the valley and much of southern Arizona. We are also tracking big changes over the next few days as we get a surge in monsoon moisture. That is going to bring us some storm chances. No storms today, just a mix of clouds and sun and hot weather as we warm to 111 degrees today. We are inching into record territory, but it looks like the record will stand. The record 114 set in 1936. The forecast for Phoenix 111 today. There is an excessive heat warning that is now in effect through 8 o'clock here this evening for the Phoenix area, the entire Phoenix metro included in this. We've also got those heat alerts to our south, Gila Bend, Casa Grande included in that, and even over the higher terrain just to our east, Globe and Safford under a heat alert too, as temperatures will get dangerously hot in those areas. Yuma included in that excessive heat warning, and areas along the river in northwest Arizona also under that heat alert. This heat alert issued because today the risk for heat illness will be high. Now, we only dropped into the upper 80s this morning, likely setting a new record for the warmest low temperature ever recorded on this date. So the warm morning combined with a very hot afternoon, that will only heighten the risk of heat illness. So the risk is there for sunburn and UV exposure, but for dehydration, heat exhaustion and heat stroke as well. Make sure you're taking care of yourself, hydrating, staying cool, maybe avoiding the outdoors if you can this afternoon. Now, we are seeing some improvements to our air quality today. It looks like ozone concentrations will be lower into the moderate range, so no air quality alerts, not today at least. Tomorrow that could change, and instead of ozone, we could be dealing with dust pollution, and it's possible we'll be under a high pollution advisory tomorrow if we get any storms to our south that manage to kick up some of that dust. That potential is there. High pressure sitting to our east. We're starting to see a little bit more moisture flow in across our state. Today, there's a chance for a few storms along the rim and in far southeast Arizona. The valley, though, looking dry with just a mix of clouds and sun. Tomorrow, our storm chances go up a bit across Arizona, in northeast Arizona, the White Mountains, and in southeast Arizona, too. And tomorrow, those storms to our southeast could be strong enough to kick out some stronger winds that could generate some of that dust. So we'll have to watch for that potential, especially tomorrow afternoon and evening. By Friday, we pull in some more moisture as we get the remnants of what once was Hurricane Bud, now a tropical storm. Watch the forecast for this. It will likely impact the Baja Peninsula as a tropical storm, but continue to weaken as it moves north. We will then see that area of low pressure, that disturbance, the remnants of this storm, move east and northeast. And now it looks like the track is going to take that storm primarily through southeast Arizona and southwestern New Mexico. That is where the best moisture plume looks to line up for now, but there is a chance that could change in the next day or so. So you'll want to keep a close eye on the forecast. Know that there is still a 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms in the valley, especially Friday night into early Saturday morning. But again, if that track of that storm shifts a little bit further west, that could certainly change our storm chances. So we'll be watching it and we'll keep you posted. In the meantime, hot weather today near 110 across the valley today. Phoenix topping out at 111 degrees. Will likely top 110 out at Bullhead City, hitting 112 there today. Triple digits for Sedona and Page this afternoon. Overnight tonight, again, not a lot of relief from the heat. Those temperatures only falling into the mid 80s here in Phoenix, down to 50 by tomorrow morning in Flagstaff. As you look at those temperatures across the valley tomorrow morning, we're waking up to the low 80s. So another warm start. Tomorrow, though, will not be as hot as today looks to be. Some more breezes tomorrow, a high of 109, a 10% chance for rain tomorrow. Again, the biggest concern will be that dust on Thursday. Friday, another weather action day as we bump up those storm chances. Temperatures will also likely fall with more cloud cover in the forecast, more moisture in our state. You can expect highs to drop into the 90s Friday, Saturday. Then we dry out on Sunday and we start to heat back up. Those triple digits are back in the forecast as early as Monday.